How to fix this video is not available error on YouTube. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Refresh the site. It's possible that the error is only temporary. You can try to fix it by refreshing the YouTube page several times. Give it a few tries and see if the error goes away. Alternatively, you can force a reload of the page by pressing Ctrl plus F5, which may help resolve the issue. Solution 2. Change video quality. In the drop-down menu, select the quality option. Choose a lower quality setting from the available options. Attempt to play the video again and see if the error persists. Solution 3. Disable hardware acceleration. Restart Chrome to apply the changes. Check if the error has been resolved. Solution 4. Enable JavaScript. Make sure to select the sites can use JavaScript option. Solution 5. Clear browser cache and cookies. Solution 6. Try a VPN. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.